Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and that you have a screen lock enabled. This matters because hide-on lock options vary by release. Once confirmed, open Settings, then Apps and Notifications, and tap See All Apps to find the app whose notifications reveal your name. Make sure to enter the Apps Notifications pane now. This is where you'll change channels or visibility. You're taking control of how content appears, so names and message previews are suppressed rather than shown by default. Next, you dig into the app's notification channels or advanced settings. These let you change visibility per type of alert. Tap Notifications, then open each category and set on lock screen to hide sensitive content, or choose Show Silent and Minimize Previews. This removes the sender name and message body on the lock screen. Make sure to repeat for important channels so conversation labels don't slip through. If the app lacks channels, toggle Show Notifications off for lock screen previews and rely on in-app viewing instead. Finish by locking your phone and sending a test message to confirm the sender name is hidden. You want to verify both lock screen and banner behavior. If names still appear, enable Do Not Disturb for finer control or set the app's notifications to silent so content does not display. Should problems persist, check the app's internal privacy settings or consider using a privacy-focused messaging app. Tip: if a manufacturer's skin behaves differently, search that device's notification privacy option and reapply these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.